Hello students, today we are going to start with worksheet number 7 of chapter 2 of your science NCERT book. And this worksheet includes the introduction of the chapter basically. So let's start with the worksheet. Firstly, the worksheet gives the difference between the acids and bases, and what are acids and what are bases and what are salts. The definitions are given for each of them along with their examples. Firstly, we'll deal in detail about the type of indicators. Firstly, what are indicators? Indicators can be divided into three types. First, natural indicators, second, synthetic indicators, and third one is olfactory indicators. These indicators are the substances which are used to test whether the given substance is an acid or a base. So firstly, we will describe about natural indicators. Natural indicators are those indicators which are obtained from nature itself, and the three examples can be given are of litmus, red cabbage leaf extract, and turmeric. And you have already seen turmeric at your homes, which is yellow in color. And you might have also observed that when you clean utensils containing haldi or something like that with the soap, it will turn red. Why? Because turmeric is a natural form of indicator, and in acid it do not show any change. On the other hand, with the base it gives a red color. Similarly, red cabbage leaf extract, we have a red color with an acid and green color with a base. The next one is litmus indicator. I should tell something about this litmus. This litmus indicator is made up of an algae extract that is extracted from an algae called lichen, and the paper is infused in that lichen extract, and that forms a litmus natural indicator. And litmus is widely used in our chemistry labs and all practical experiments to test whether the substance you are having is an acid or a base. So students, we can see that litmus changes into red color with an acid. जब acid हम डालते हैं litmus paper पे तो वो कौन सा कलर का हो जाता है? रेड, और बेस के साथ नीला ब्लू हो जाता है. ठीक है. Next one are synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators are the chemical indicators. and chemical substances जो होते हैं chemical से बनते हैं. There are two examples that is given in your worksheet. The first is methyl orange and another is phenolphthalein. Methyl orange give the red color with an acid and a yellow color with a base, and on the other hand phenolphthalein gives pink color with the base and colorless in an acid. So when you put an acid in phenolphthalein, that solution of phenolphthalein will turn into pink color. The third one are olfactory indicators, and three examples of olfactory indicators are onion juice, vanilla and clove oil. These indicators are different odor in acids and bases. Olfactory का मतलब होता है स्मेल से जो हम पता लगा सकें. Olfactory indicators like onion juice have a characteristic smell with an acid and no smell with the base, whereas vanilla retains the smell with an acid. उसकी vanilla वाली smell रहती है acid में और base में no smell. Whereas clove oil जिसे हम लौंग कहते हैं, लौंग का तेल, that acid के साथ उसकी smell रहती है और base के साथ नहीं रहती. So these were the types of indicators. Now, what are acids, what are bases and what are salts, we will deal now. Firstly, we will deal with acids. Acids turn blue litmus paper red. आपको मैंने बताया litmus paper क्या होता है. तो जो नीला litmus paper है, blue है, वो red में convert हो जाएगा अगर आपका acid है. Next, एसिड जो होते हैं वो खट्टे होते हैं, सार इन टेस्ट होते हैं, जैसे कि लेमन जूस, ऑरेंज जूस, विनेगर, ये सब. ठीक है. एंड दीज आर द natural acids also which can be present at your homes also, and others are curd, lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar. third point about acid is that acids corrodes metal. And last one is they have positively charged H plus ions. Now as I have already told you about the examples of natural acids like curd, lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, there are few chemical acids also like HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, HNO3, that is nitric acid, H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. Now next we will deal with bases. Bases turn red litmus blue. These are bitter in taste, कड़वे होते हैं. They have negatively charged OH minus ions, feel slippery to touch, and most hand cleaners and drain cleaners are bases. जो आपके साबुन वगैरह होते हैं वो सारे क्षारक होते हैं, bases होते हैं. And the last point about bases are that strong bases are corrosive. So these were the points about bases. Now few examples of bases are NaOH, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and third one is potassium hydroxide, that is KOH. Now what are salts? The salts are the compounds which are formed from the action of acid and base. जब एसिड और बेस एक दूसरे के साथ रिएक्ट करते हैं, रिएक्शन शो करते हैं, तब क्या फॉर्म होते हैं? सॉल्ट्स. सॉल्ट्स जो होते हैं उसके आपको दो एग्जाम्पल दिए गए हैं आपकी वर्कशीट में. पहला NaCl, जो कॉमन स्टेबल सॉल्ट होता है वो आपका NaCl होता है, नमक, सोडियम क्लोराइड, एंड कॉपर सल्फेट, दैट इज CuSO4. These are the two examples of salts we can have. And now we'll come to question and answers. The first question is state the difference between acids and bases. You need to write all the points that